Even durable tools like the CP rock drills need occasional service. Let's walk through common issues and how to resolve them quickly on the job site. Issue: erratic operation. First, disconnect the air, flush cleaning solvent through the tool, and then add oil. Check for loose components or dirt in the valves. If the problem continues, open the tool and inspect the valve set and cylinder ports for obstruction. Issue: port impact or weak drilling. Confirm fasteners are tight. Inspect for internal wear, especially the piston and bore. Ensure proper steel is being used and seated correctly. Inspect air pressure. It should be steady at 90 psi. Check that you have the proper hose length and no blockages in the air supply. Issue: tool won't stop. Shut off the air at the source immediately. Disassemble the throttle valve and check O-rings or seals. Replace any worn or damaged valve components. Issue: tool fades out mid-use. This is likely an air supply issue. Check hose diameter and length and make sure there are no blockages. Clean or replace filters and connectors and check for internal leaks or worn seals. The key to troubleshooting is a step-by-step approach. Clean, inspect, verify pressure, and check all fittings. These tools are built to last, and regular attention keeps them working harder and longer.